We are pleased to show you the 2019 CLS-Class. Simple infatuation quickly becomes an unwavering devotion. Comes with abundant power with quick steering that offers great feedback. This vehicle has less than 6,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, brake assist, four-wheel disc brakes, leather upholstery, low tire pressure warning, tachometer, driver vanity mirror, heated front seats, compass, front bucket seats. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.